Hi all, Ankit Kiso this side from Chevrolet team and welcome back to our channel. So this is bank tree chart and these are new levels marked using volume profile. But before giving any analysis for Monday, let me give you a follow-up of yesterday's video. So I've taken a screenshot and these are previous levels. If you can see, market was completely range bound yesterday. Although if you have entered here, uh, so and keeping a SL of 120 points, then you would have booked really good target till here. Okay, although market tried to go up, but again but took resistance from the very same level, and after then gave really good move. I hope you have taken entry here, and you would have booked really nearly 240 points of move. So that's all as analysis for yesterday's video. So coming directly to बैंक निफ्टी एनालिसिस फॉर टुमारो ना सॉरी फॉर मंडे. तो चलो ठीक है, फिर शुरू करते हैं. सो अगेन मैं मतलब वही तीन केसेस पे स्टार्ट करने वाला हूँ. फर्स्ट वन विल बी साइडवेज, देन गैप डाउन, देन गैप अप. ओके, so starting from gap down, this will be a gap down zone first. Okay, so if market opens somewhere here, then this will be a no trading zone for you. Simply you don't have to trade here. और मैं ऐसा क्यों कह रहा हूँ? Just because of the fact, if you can see here, in the second half of trading hours, market was completely range bound. Means here both buyers and sellers were indifferent about the move, and that's why they were both fighting with each other. And the same thing can happen here as well if market opens sideways. So what you have to do, you just have to be in wait and watch mode in here. Or agar either this or this gets broken, then you have to take entry with 120 points of SL, because this is a good move till this much, means it is around 190 or 200 points of move. Okay, so you have to take entry with 120 points of SL, and you should look for this much of target if sellers show some strength. लेकिन अगर यहाँ पे बायर्स आते हैं और वो कुछ स्ट्रेंथ दिखाते हैं, देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to take entry only when this gets broken, and you have to put a SL of 120 points, and you have to look for this much of target at least, and this is also around 140 points of move. So you have to take entry here with a SL of at max 100 points, not above that. Okay, and you have if you are looking for big target, then you have to work with trailing SL. So this is how you have to trade if market opens sideways. Now coming to gap down. So अगर market gap down खुलता है, so by saying gap down there is two probability. Okay, first one slight gap down, second one big gap down. Okay, अगर slight gap down होता है, then you have to take entry as and when this gets broken, the same as sideways. But अगर यहाँ पे बड़ा gap down होता है, then what you have to do, if market opens in this zone, then this will be a no trading zone for you. And why I'm saying that, क्योंकि this is the zone which has never been tested. Means market completely shows a gap down, and here no one knows what is actually going to happen. So if you will create a biasness, then this will harm you only, because the probability of hitting SL, means getting SL hit, is quite high in this case. So that's why if market opens big gap down in this zone, then you have to be in wait and watch mode. You have to look whether this zone or this zone gets broken. मतलब अगर बिग गैप डाउन होता है तो वहाँ पे क्या सेलर्स अभी भी कंटिन्यूसली स्ट्रेंथ दिखा रहे हैं और बायर्स यहाँ से आते हैं. अगर बायर्स आते हैं, देन यू हैव टू टेक एंट्री हियर. एंड नाउ योर क्वेश्चन माइट बी कि अगर यहाँ एंटर करेंगे तो दिस इज अगेन कमिंग टू सेम जोन. बट वन थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, अगर बिग गैप डाउन होने के बाद भी अगर सेलर्स स्ट्रेंथ नहीं दिखा रहे और यहाँ बायर्स आ रहे हैं और इसे जोन को तोड़ रहे, तो दे आर नॉट लुकिंग फॉर दिस मच ऑफ मूव. मतलब यहाँ तक का मूव नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं वो. they are expecting for at least this much of move or even the breaking of this zone. Okay, and I know means हो सकता है ये बहुत स्पाइक मूव में ना है, बट स्लोली एंड स्ट्रेटली ये यहाँ तक आएगा ही आएगा. Okay, so you have to take an entry here with 120 points of SL at max, and you have to look for this much of move, and this is around 275 points of move. So you can look for a target around 200 points, if not this much. Okay, so this is how you have to trade अगर big gap down होता है तो. Okay, now coming to the third part, अगर gap up होता है, so again अगर small gap up होता है, then the same will apply which I have explained to you in sideways zone. But अगर बड़ा gap up होता है, then this will be a no trading zone for you. You have to take entry only when either this or this gets broken. This is how you have to trade. Got it? तो आप यहाँ पे सोचोगे कि यहाँ पे अगर एंटर करना है और यहाँ पे अगर 100 पॉइंट का ऐसा रखना है तो ये काफ़ी छोटा टारगेट होगा, बिकॉज दिस इज अराउंड 110 पॉइंट्स ऑफ मूव. But here you don't have to keep a SL of 100 or 120 points. You have to keep a SL of around 70-80 points at max. Okay, but here is a catch, you don't need to book your profit here, बिकॉज अगर मार्केट गैप अप होने के बाद भी अगर आप मूव दिखा रहा है, विच आई एम लिल बायस्ड, लेट मी टेल यू, आई एम लिल बायस्ड टुवर्ड्स बुलिशनेस. तो अगर यहाँ पे ये निकलता है तो हाउ यू हैव टू ट्रेड हियर विद ट्रेलिंग एसएल, मीन्स एज एंड व्हेन योर 1:1 गेट्स डन यू हैव टू ट्रेल योर एसएल टू कॉस्ट. और अगर मान लो कि यहाँ पे आपने एंटर करा 80 पॉइंट्स का आपने ऐसा लगाया, अगर ये 80 पॉइंट जाता है फिर ये आपने ट्रेल करके एसएल कॉस्ट पे कर दिया, आफ्टर देन अगर ये यहाँ से मूव मतलब कि अगेंस्ट मूव भी देता है, सो द मैक्स यू विल लूज इज 0. you won't give anything out of your pocket, right? So first thing you need to learn is saving your capital, then only you should look for making big money. Okay, लेकिन अगर आप ये सोचो ना, अगर 1:1 करने के बाद आपने ट्रेल करा एसएल, नाउ you are not risking anything. ओके, बट अगर यहाँ से मूव देता है, विच आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि दिस जोन विल गेट्स ब्रोकन, अगर गैप अप होने के बाद भी मार्केट कंटिन्यूसली ऊपर जा रहा है तो आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट, देन आफ्टर दिस इज़ अ वेरी बिग जोन. अगर आप यहाँ से अगर इतना भी आप कवर कर पा रहे हो, देन यू आर बुकिंग अराउंड 230 पॉइंट 250 पॉइंट्स ऑफ मूव, विच इज़ ह्यूज मूव. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you that if you are trading here, then you have to work with trailing SL. क्यों? Because market is showing very big moves, and from the past 1 or 2 days market is completely silent. So there is a high probability that market might give you a trending move any day. I'm not saying on Monday, but it might come. अगर gap up होता है, market continuously ऊपर जा रहा है, so you can expect big move. Okay, this is what my analysis is saying. Okay, so what you have to do, you just have to take a screenshot of these levels. Why I'm saying that? Because these are very important levels for your reference, and you can use them in live market. You can watch it yourself. From the past many days, our levels are continuously acting as a perfect supply and demand zone. Okay, and this is only because of two facts. First, we are just using volume profile. Second, we are using pure price action. Okay, and we are marking all these levels on the basis of these two. So that's why I'm telling you that you have to work like that. Okay, got it? So this is how you have to trade. I have explained you everything, and this is our Telegram channel. If you wanna join, you can join this. The link is already in description box. तो आप उसे please check out करो. Okay, that's all from my end. Thanks a lot for your time. Bye bye. And if you are liking our content, then please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and also share with your friends. Okay, bye bye.